What is your number one frustration with your advisors?
Yeah, well, I have two locations, but I'll speak about the original one, and I'd say like my frustration is the inconsistency. Um, some days it's like, oh, he's 100% on point, and I feel like, man, I've got the right guy in this position, and he's knocking it out of the park. And then other days it's like, man, where is he? Where's he at? And and my fear then is my customers also see that. So then it's like, well, did they get a good visit, or did they get them on a good visit or a bad visit? And if that's a say a potentially newer customer that's still feeling us out and we're dating, uh, was that are they going to look somewhere else because they feel this inconsistency, and they're not looking for inconsistency, they're looking for consistency and reliability, this rock of a place to go to. That's my fear and frustration.
That's a great awareness. And because I'm so systems driven, what have you guys experienced what's your system around consistency? Or another way to learn, what's your accountability system in your business? What have you done to bring that consistency?